Hey guys, so I'm here today to go over these seriously? Okay, I'm back. Like, these little earrings don't want me to be great today, obviously. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm here to go over these Marley Twists that I have in my hair. The brand that I use is Mojito Cuban Twist Mojito Twist Braid. I have the color number 2 and 16 inches. Absolutely love Mojito, okay? Like, I cheated a few times, went to other brands, and I just didn't like it. I wasn't feeling it whatsoever. This brand, I can wear it probably about 4 weeks or so. Me personally, I do not dip the ends of my hair because I don't have time for all of that, like dip it in the hot water, bringing it back up, patting it down, and then your back be all wet. I don't do that, but you're more than welcome to if you want to. Just so you can see, I'm short. I'll say 5 foot. 4'11" and a half really, but I give myself the extra inch. So on me, they come down to almost my butt. So like my lower back, almost my butt. And in the front, they come down to a little bit under my boobs. So almost my waist in the front. I do pre-treat this hair before I put it in my head. And I pre-treat it with apple cider vinegar. I personally use this brand. It doesn't matter which brand you use. Just use apple cider vinegar if you are allergic. So if I would have put this stuff in my head without pre-treating it with apple cider vinegar, it would have been itchy mess and would have had little bumps all in my head, and that's just not cute, okay? To pre-treat it, what I do is the night before, I dip it in the apple cider vinegar in hot water about 6 times, you know, twirl it around in the water, bring it up, and let it dry. Also with this style, I pre-twisted my hair. Normally I just go through, part it, do the twist individually, but I found that pre-twisting it saved me a lot of time, like a lot of time. So if you're doing these yourself, I would definitely suggest pre-twisting the night before if you're slow. Me personally, I'm slow, so it helped me a lot. But if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. So right here, what I'm doing is untwisting my pre-twisted hair, because like I said, I twist it the night before. I'm just untwisting it. Okay, look at that length. Yes. Untwisting my hair so I can prep the Marley hair to start twisting that in. What I'm doing is separating the ends of the Marley hair, because with this particular brand, the ends always are together, and it's no good when you're trying to twist your hair and the ends are together, because it'll just cause knotting. So I make sure I do this on each strand of hair before I twist it into my hair. Okay, so at this point, I'm actually starting to add the Marley hair into my hair. I'm taking my middle finger and my thumb finger and securing one side of the Marley hair, while my pointer finger and my thumb was securing my hair in the middle. And then you just start a braid. For the purpose of this video, I'm doing the base for the braid and then I turn into the twist. Around my perimeter though, I'm doing the no knot technique. that one isn't so beginner friendly. That's why I didn't add that in the video. Clips are definitely needed. I'll add that in the comment section. Once you start twisting your hair into the Marley hair, a clip will just make sure that your actual root doesn't continue to twist and twist and twist. So I'm adding a little bit of edge control with my styling pudding, just to make sure my twist is nice and smooth and my hair is covered. Braid. So then you just, once you get the hair secured, just keep twisting all the way down. Add in the edge control and style pudding or whatever you prefer to use as needed. I just wanted to make sure my hair was smooth and it blended well with the Marley hair. I'm not adding any products outside of these two to my actual hair, because the night before when I twisted my hair, I used Design Essentials almond and avocado leave-in, as well as Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk, so my hair was already moisturized beforehand. And once you get to the bottom, this is why it's essential to split the ends of the Marley hair prior to installing it into your hair, because once you get to the bottom, it'll make it easier for you. Less knots, less tangles. You can just twist it all the way down to the end. And there you have it. You made it to the end. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that. Like, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment them down below. I'm on YouTube every day, so I'll get back to you, I promise. Like this video, share this video, and while you're here, subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, I appreciate it. If you don't like the video, still subscribe, because I might have something you might like in the future. You never know. I'm like a box full of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. But again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.